Most range days lie to you. You leave tired brasses everywhere, and somehow the target still knows you were guessing. This is stop wasting ammo. Pick one ugly rep, run it honest, and let the footage tell on you. 30 pounds on your chest makes every lazy step show up. The vest does not care how good the plan sounded in the truck. The first job is simple. Move with a purpose. Get the gun up clean and do not spin around fixing a mistake your feet already made. Same idea, different shooter. Do not compare the ego, compare the setup, the first step, and how fast the sights come back.
Oh God, oh God. Dude.
Fuck all that wood on the ground.
I did?
Yeah, it was like blowing up. Ooh. Ah!
When the drill drops into squats, the rep gets honest fast. Legs get loud, breathing gets stupid, and the gun still expects you to be an adult. Down, move, get the gun back up, and find the sights before the rep turns into cardio with noise.
Fucking hat.
I don't know if that first one was hit or not.
It wasn't. It's the hat.
Drew's run matters here because it keeps my version from being the whole story. Same pressure, different body solving it in real time.
I really need to get that dual-sided shit.
So we start, so your rough length of arm, right, should be almost to here, especially for the rifle length. And then when you're here, you're pulling down, and you gotta, I'll switch hands, and I'll leave it on my chest, and here. But if you're holding your rifle straight up and down, it should almost touch your arm, for a rifle, with scope. It'll help you out a little bit. Or just sink it in here, so we can hold it and maneuver it.
Yeah, I thought I had it adjusted right. All right, what's next?
So we're here for, homie.
Yeah?
Wanna run again?
Yeah, we can. I don't remember where I was.
We both shot a lot of light.
Here, and then
The long
think I'm
gun
doing it right.
changes the rhythm.
So
Feet
here,
first,
you're holding
rifle
here.
up, press
Like
the
almost
shot,
on your shoulder.
then leave clean enough to do it again.
And so now you're punching out.
Okay. So all is on his shoulder, and then you. I'm just on his shoulder. Okay. I think that's close. Yeah. Here, and then. Yeah.
Speed only counts if the target agrees. Everything
So
else
Mike
is just
went-
expensive noise with
I went
better
for A.
posture.
I was like, I'll make up for the two mic. That's cheap.
The useful rep is not
you don't go
always
for it,
the
though,
pretty
I'll tell you.
one.
Okay.
It is the one that shows exactly where the wheel started wobbling.
In line.
Seems like towards the bottom, right?
Just in, yeah, towards the bottom.
Why is that? The zero? Where you zeroed at? Let me cut this off.